This is Dogor, an 18,000-year-old puppy that was discovered in the Siberian permafrost. He is so well preserved that his nose and whiskers are still mostly intact. There are many such dog breeds that have become extinct over the years. Today, we are going to discuss 15 such breeds. But before we begin, this is a very small YouTube channel and I need your help and support in growing this. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The English Terrier existed in the UK back in the 18th century. The English Terrier could not sustain the interest in the public for long and has been erased. By 3 decades after creating the hybrid breed, the English Terrier became extinct. Talbot existed in medieval times. This dog was very common in England and originated in Normandy. This type of dog was used as a hunting dog. The modern Beagle and Bloodhounds are believed to be ancestors of Talbots. This breed became extinct in the late 18th century. The Salish Bulldog had white woolly fur and was small. This extinct breed was created by the people of Washington State and British Columbia. With the absence of sheep at that time, people would shear the dog's coats in early summer to make Salish blankets and other textiles. The fur of the wool dog was very thick and rich in texture. Moscow Water Dog was developed by the Russian army to perform water rescues and they existed after World War II. But these dogs tended to bite sailors rather than pulling them to safety. By the late 1980s, the Moscow Water Dog became extinct from Newfoundland. Tweed Water Spaniels originated in England and they inhabited the area around the Berwick-upon-Tweed, and the Spaniels were water dogs, and as these dogs were located around the river. This breed exists by crossbreeding with St. John's Water Dog and local water dogs and has become extinct back in the 19th century. Curry dogs existed in New Zealand. The Curry dog is one of the oldest breeds to have walked on the earth. Curry dogs became extinct in the 1860s when the European settlers began to flood into New Zealand. This extinction was due to the fact that Curry dogs could not survive to be interbred with European dogs. The Molossus dog was from ancient Greece. This dog marked its history of the ancient Greek and was used for fighting, hunting, and protecting the house and the livestock. Thylacine existed in ancient Greece and was considered as the largest carnivorous known to man as far back as 4 million years ago. Thylacines were shy and nocturnal in nature. They became extinct for various reasons such as hunting, diseases, the introduction of new dogs, and the invasion of humans who took over its habitat. The North Country Beagle originated in Yorkshire in England and was bred as a scent hound. The dog was known for its fast hunting abilities and its shrill voice. This extinction was due to the competition from English foxhound. St. John's Water Dog. St. John's Water Dog was an early retriever with its origin dating back to Newfoundland in the 16th century. This dog contributed to the creation of modern curly-coated retriever and golden retriever dog species. The Cumberland Sheepdog was considered as the most favorite dog breed of Lancelot Edward Lothar, the 6th Earl of Lonsdale. By the beginning of 20th century, the breed was absorbed by the Border Collie. In other words, the latter breed had absorbed the breeds. Cumberland Sheepdogs claim to be one of the ancestors of Australian Shepherd dogs. Alpine Mastiff was one of the earliest dogs to attain a gigantic size. The dog originated from Europe before 500 BC and was recognized as the ancestor of St. Bernard breed. The largest Mastiff may have been measured more than 1 meter at the shoulder and weighed nearly 160 kgs. Brazilian Kennel Club first recognized the hunting breed Brazilian Tracker in 1967, but only after 6 years due to a disease outbreak with possible overdose of insecticides made the dog breed extinct. The Blue-Polled Terrier breed originated from Scotland and was the descendant of a bulldog and a terrier through crossbreeding that may include other similar dogs. This breed was popular in Scotland back in the mid-19th century, but when the popularity fizzled in the early 20th century, the Blue-Polled Terrier became extinct. Our last dog in this list is the dog known as Bullenbesser. Bullenbesser refers to a German bulldog. This was a breed in Germany before it was extinct. Bullenbesser was crossbred out of existence just like an old English bulldog. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment in both YouTube and Facebook. The channel needs your support to grow. Thank you.